everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we are going to be unboxing the July 2020 Sew Sampler Box. If you are unfamiliar with Sew Sampler boxes, they are a monthly sewing and quilting subscription box. You can purchase them for $24.95 plus shipping, and they come every month full of fun goodies. They have fabric, patterns, and notions inside. Let's see what's inside this month's box. So like I mentioned, this is the July 2020 box, and they do have a promo code on the back for 20% off jelly rolls or any 2.5-inch strips, so that is super fun. And the theme for this month is patio picnic. As usual, I have my little insert in my box here. It tells me everything that comes in my box along with a little bit of information on it and its retail value, which helps me decide whether or not I'm getting a good value. So we're gonna go a little bit different order this time. We're gonna go from patterns to notions. Normally I go the other way just because I pull stuff out of the box, but I thought it'd be fun to mix things up. So we're gonna start off with the track number 4. This is their greatest hits album quilt block, and you get one of these patterns in your box every month. And then by the time you are done getting all 12 months worth of boxes, you will have 12 different blocks you can put together for a fun sampler quilt. This just isn't quite up my alley, but I'm gonna save them all till the very end just in case when I get to start seeing people's finished quilts, I end up liking it. You never know. Oh, and these retail for $4.98. I'm not sure if you can get the current boxes patterns yet, but I know you can go onto their website and get previous boxes. They've done some really cute ones. So the pattern for this month is actually super cute. This is called Patio Picnic Quilt Pattern. It's exclusively for the Sew Sampler box, and it's a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive, and it says a traditional and whimsical become fast friends in the patio picnic quilt. A grand quilt block squeezes in a bouquet of darling half square triangles for fun yet jaw-dropping, that is hard to say, design. It's a fantastic way to pair up the 21-piece roly-poly and 1-inch half square triangle paper from this month's box. So I will show you that here in a little bit. It's valuing at $9.98, and this does come in 2 different sizes, 35.5 by 35.5 and 63.5 by 63.5, and they have information on what you need for the back of all those. But these may look semi-complicated, but they actually aren't, and with the paper that I'll show you here in just a second, it makes these little half square triangles pretty easy. So there's nothing too difficult or hard in here. Here's kind of a view of what the quilts look like. Very cute. I actually really like this one. I think I'm liking the smaller one better. I don't know. I think you could do either one, but very cute. And I like all the fun, colorful patterns. I really like it. Definitely has that kind of picnic vibe going on. So this is super cute. So since I just mentioned it, we might as well move on to this half square triangle paper. So these are basically called triangles on a roll. And it says, get rolling on half square triangles with the newest addition to the Triangles on the Roll family. This 1-inch half square triangle paper is made to be used with our favorite quilting staple, the 2.5 strip roll. This half square triangle paper stabilizes and guides you to cut accurate, precise, and perfect units that will add wow factor to your next quilt. The value of this is $10.98. Does it say how many are on here? It has directions on here on how to use them, and it says it makes 630 little half square triangles. So this paper is actually pretty easy to use. It's really nice and beginner friendly. You basically just put your fabric on top of here, sew on the lines where indicated, cut where indicated, and then you just tear the paper off the back. It is a little bit of an extra step to tear the paper off the back, so I don't use these all the time, but I think for a quilt like this where you're doing a lot of tiny little half square triangles, this would be great for keeping your accuracy up and just making a bunch of them really fast. So the next thing in our box is Hugo's Amazing Tape. It's 1/2 inch by 16.6 yard roll of this tape, and it says, prepare to be amazed by Hugo's Amazing Tape. Don't worry, there's no magic trick here, just incredibly useful and reusable tape that will only stick to itself. So you can wrap your thread to keep it from unraveling, fashion it into ruler grips, and use it to bind up long iron and sewing machine cords. Make sure to keep it someplace secure. It has so many uses, it just might vanish into thin air. This values for $7.28. There is instructions on how to use it on the back, and then on their little card here, they kind of show how they're using it to keep their threads secure on their spool of thread, which I think is a great idea because otherwise you kind of have the thread sort of hanging and dangling, especially if you store your thread in like a box or something and it just all gets all tangled up in there. So this seems like a fun little notion. I'm honestly not 100% sure how often I'll use it, but I do like this idea of using it to keep your threads. I almost wonder if you could use it on yarn as well, maybe to keep the end of your yarn like attached to the roll too. I mean, if it only sticks to itself and not the yarn, I think that would be a great use for it. So I don't know, if you've ever used this, let me know, and I'd love to hear your comments on it. This is the first I've seen it, but it does say it leaves no residue, washable, water resistant, adheres to itself, and it's reusable. So I don't know, kind of cool. So the next thing I have here is this Magic Pins sampler pack, and this is by Taylor Seville, featuring a high heat resistant comfort grip that are brightly colored so you can always find them. This 19-piece Magic Pin sampler pack includes quilting pins, fork pins, patchwork pins, extra long pins, and it comes in a convenient case. Everything you could want in a pin, these have it totally pinned down. Value is $12.98. So I've opened up the little case so you can kind of see them in here. It's a really handy little case, and then I think this little insert right here does a little bit better job of showing you all the different styles that you can get. So I kind of like this sampler pack idea. It's really cute. I also like the little carrying case that it comes with as well. And I will tell you right off the bat that one of my favorite pins are these double pronged pins. They're super handy for lining up your seams. So if you have, like, say you have two pieces of fabric and they come together like at this point, the pin, you can kind of go on both sides of your seam, and then it actually holds that seam in place really, really well. And then actually they have a picture of it right there. Here I was trying to give you an illustration, but here's, you can kind of see a picture of a seam coming together there, and then the little pin goes on both sides of them. And I think that's just really handy. So I do love those, but I'm actually kind of excited to try these pins. They look like they're really good quality. I have not tried them before, so I mean, I don't know, I guess we'll find out. They do feel a little bit thin, and hopefully these little tips don't come off very easily, but I do like this cute little carrying case. It snaps nice and secure, so you can toss these in your bag and take them on the go. And then last but not least, we have this super cute Petite Shades of Summer Roly-Poly. This is by, let's see, Heather Peterson of Anka's Treasures for Riley Blake Designs, and it says sway through summer scents of sunflowers, gardenias, and daisies from the Shades of Summer by Heather Peterson. This adorable 21-piece roly-poly pops with all of the brights, reds, yellows, teals, and grass greens. Every print is saturated with vibrant color that will paint your quilt perfect for the season. And this little mini roly-poly values at $17.98. If you're new to roly-polies, they're kind of like the Moda Jelly Rolls. It's just a different name for Riley Blake, but they are still 2.5-inch strips by width of fabric, so you get a nice sampling of all of the fabrics that come in this line. So looks like super cute and a lot of fun colors. Yeah. So that's everything from this month's box. I did tally it up for you, and the grand total is $64.14. Like I mentioned, the boxes are $24.95, so pretty good for your value. So here's everything that came in this month's box. I think my favorites are going to be these new pins that I'm interested in trying, the roly-poly, of course, and this pattern is super cute. I'm not 100% sure about the tape yet, but I do plan to try and give it a shot and see a couple different things I can use it for. Leave me a comment in the description box below letting me know what your favorite product was from this month's box. And if you like these unboxings, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. That way I know to keep making them for you. Thank you so much for joining me for today's unboxing, and I will see you next time. And this month's theme is... my dog is barking. Jax, you're eating a pin on my floor. You're so loud. Just go lay down. Retail value, which helps me decide. Told myself I wasn't gonna look down because my hair is two colors and it's way more obvious when I do this. Anyway, whatever. I still haven't gone to get my hair done. It's okay. Okay, this is for it and all that kind of good thing. Let's see. They're taped together.